here we go. Okay, here we go, guys. You guys need to join in with me as well. We're gonna go like this. When I say free, you say style. Free.
Style.
Free.
Style.
When I say free, that's when you say style. Free.
Style.
Free.
Style.
And when I say free, that's when you say style. Say free.
Style.
Free.
Style.
And free.
Style.
And free.
Style.
And free.
Style.
Alright, look. This is a freestyle rap coming off at the top. I'm just saying what I'm thinking and I do it on the spot. I don't know where it starts and I don't know where it ends. I don't know if I'll talk about some of these random trends like 6, 7 or some things that went viral. Don't know which word I'll use and will be the final. Don't know when it stops, but I'll just keep going. A word that you've just learned right now, I'll keep flowing. This is a skill that I keep on showing. Every time I do it, it's like my brain's growing. I gotta be honest, I really can't stop it. I link these words together like it was a sausage.
Yeah, my name is Rob Bradley. I'm also known as Jack Flash. I'm a rapper and a songwriter. And today I've been down here, organised by Soundstone. We have been doing some CPD sessions with teachers who are working in the BCP area. And I've been showing them what I do, talking to them about why it's vital that young people have opportunities like the ability to rap in the classroom, and also just answering their questions, giving them some techniques and some tools that they can use when they go back to their classrooms. And I work across the board as well. So I work from early years up to university. I've worked at PRUs, SEN schools, prisons, community projects, corporate projects, all kinds of things. One thing that I have found is that there is this golden thread that runs throughout everything and it connects humanity, and that is that we've all got this need to express ourselves and we've all got this need to create.
Yeah, look, this is how it feels. You know what I do, I'm giving you the real. This is something from my heart and it's always love. Yeah, I'm reaching out like I was an octopus. I got the love, I really want to share it round. And I hope that you love the way I do my sounds, because you gave me random words on this list. But I just want to put gifts on my list for Christmas, and hopefully I get them under the tree. But right now, all you're getting is some words from me. Yeah, I push you to full throttle. Excuse me. Please don't drop your bottle. It makes one hell of a clink, and I'm up here trying to think all of these words that I really have to link, and that just threw me off for a second. I had to blink, but I'm focus mode again, and I really will be honest. I'll always be on it, I'm never coming off it. I'll keep on going until my throat need a lozenge. Mr. Pharmacist, give me lemon, give me orange, give me anything that you got behind the counter.
So today I went in there and I did some freestyle rapping for them, which is all about improvisation, coming up with raps off the top of your head. I got some of them involved in a freestyle rap game as well, something that they'd never done, so they were completely outside their comfort zone, and they got involved in that. I gave them some structure of like how you can actually plan and write their own rap, and then also a way to present and perform those raps as well. And I introduced them to some aspects of rap that they might have not thought about before. Some rhythmic aspects and how to understand rap, how to contextualize it, and how to present it in the classroom for the young people.
I hope you turn it all around, but right now it's about time to put this microphone down. There's my freestyle.
Rap is really important in schools because, actually, let me put it this way. I'm going to say rap is something that's vital to be used in schools because it, first of all, it engages young people. Like, they're already into rap. Second of all of the literacy skills that you're developing anyway with those young people can be used in rap as well. Everything from poetic devices to sentence structure, but a lot of musical aspects are being used in rap as well. Things like rhythm, things like rhyme, and it's current and it's inclusive as well. It's all about bringing people in, sharing their story, and it's good for well-being as well. So it's all about self-expression. It's all about understanding the world, and in some cases, with some young people venting and expressing themselves in a way that they wouldn't have a chance to.
Go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Today is the day we're all wearing yellow. Let's not stress, we're keeping it mellow. Low-key style, chilling out in the Bahamas, sitting by the pool, drinking cocktails in pyjamas. It might not seem it, but there's a reason for this passion. The truth behind it all is that we're showing some compassion. In and all the youngsters out there who all desperately need our charity, because it's 2025 and we're still living this insanity.
The teachers in these sessions have been amazing. They've been open, they've been receptive, they've been willing to try things, they've been willing to make a fool of themselves. Their words, not mine. I don't think they're being a fool. But they've been really open to that experience, and that's what's important, because that's where it starts. And a lot of, obviously, what's going on in schools and in the classroom starts with the teacher. They're the leader at the front. And if they're willing to take risks and to try new things and bring new things into the classroom, then it can only be a positive.
It doesn't matter if you feel a bit silly. Let's work together, don't dally, dilly.